Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support, and my job is to help our users with anything relating to our platform. Today I will be showcasing how to connect to IBM Cloud with Console Connect, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get to your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to the menu, click on Connections, and click on Add New. Make sure Clouds on Everything as a Service is selected and click on IBM Cloud. You need to enter your 32-bit IBM account number. For that, you need to go to the IBM portal. In IBM portal, go to Manage, then Account. Then go to Account Settings. Over here, you will see your 32-bit IBM account number. Copy this one. And head back to Console Connect. Back in Console, paste your IBM account ID. Then click on Next. Select your source port and IBM interconnect destination. Then click on Next. Set your name. Next, you can choose your rate limit. The source VLAN will be auto-assigned. Then specify your plan usage and set your duration. Next, click on Review. Over here, you can review your order. Then click on Next. Then you need to select your payment method and agree to the terms and conditions. And finally, click on Connect. Console will begin to provision the Layer 2 service. The first step is to accept the direct link in IBM to complete the provisioning. You need to head back to IBM. In IBM, go to the menu. Click on Interconnectivity. Then click on Direct Link. Click on the new Direct Link service. Click on Review. Select your resource group. Select your routing. And click on Next. You can configure any AS prepends if you require. Then click on Next. You can configure any route filters if you require. Then click on Next. Then agree to the direct link prerequisites. And click on Create. This will take a few minutes to complete in IBM. Back in Console, the IBM connection will change to Accept on Cloud and provisioning will continue. In IBM, the connection will change to Provisioned. Back in Console, this connection will complete the provisioning and display as up. The next steps are to complete the BGP configurations on your equipment. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.